Needed, and I had one person already call out that it was too bad over her way, so it's not as bad over there at her house, just 6 inches. I guess you could probably use metrics. So if you multiply 3 point, that's meters. I don't know. I can't remember. Anyway, I'm going to just take my time, keep my windshield clear. As soon as my car warms up, I have the defroster going, which will keep the windshield warm and keep the snow melted off of it. You probably hear the fan increase. And I've got the one on the back also going. You can't see that one, but I love you, honey. There's going to be a few videos for you, but it'll take a little while to get to work. I thought you'd like to see, and that way you kind of like, you know, I know you're with me all the time, but you're even closer to me. I feel like you're really with me about doing this video and talking to you. It's not fun at all. But I'm used to driving in snow, so I just be careful. I have you on my mind, be thinking about you. This car should go pretty well in the snow. Here we go. Off to the hospital. Whee! I have what's called de-icing fluid in my windshield wiper, so it melts everything. Here I am at the first stop sign. See how it goes. It looks like they have maybe plowed it with the plows one time. This is like the worst part. Hopefully they've done the interstate that I have to get on. Excuse me. You can see the track somebody's been in. I don't want to ride in that. Grip's better out here in the fresh